You're live with BBC News. Tornadoes in the United States killed at least 15 people and injured dozens more, leaving a trail of damage across parts of Texas, Arkansas and Oklahoma on Saturday night. Dave Malkoff from our US partner CBS News is on the ground in Valley View, Texas, and we spoke a little earlier. We can see the damage there behind you. Just talk to us about the level of destruction that you and your team have been seeing there on the ground.
Helena, the storms are already on the move. Even right now throughout the South and the Midwest, there are multiple tornadoes that came through here in Texas, and we're right on the Oklahoma border. We've also got tornadoes that happen in Arkansas as well. Specifically at this gas station, and this used to be a gas station along the highway, there were about 60 people inside the gas station at the time. This was about 9 o'clock at night here in Texas. They were going across the Oklahoma border, but all those people figured something isn't right. So they got inside this gas station, and then one person was screaming out to all of them inside and saying, "Everybody, get in the bathroom right now." And that is key. Everybody ran to the bathroom instead of being in the interior area of this gas station, where you can see multiple lives possibly could have been lost if they were in there. So everybody got themselves surrounded by as many walls as they could, and those people survived, about 50 to 60 people, because a guy named Hugo Parra told them, "Get in the gas station bathroom right now."
Well, thank goodness he knew what to do. But overall, do you think people were prepared for these storms?
Yeah, it's really, really rough, and sometimes people don't exactly know what to do when they see the alert go off on their phone. There's a tornado watch, and that will tell you there's a possibility of a tornado around your area. Then there's a tornado warning saying that radar is indicating that there is a tornado actively in your area. And then there's something even beyond that called a tornado emergency, which means that there is a massive destructive tornado in the area. We have had several of those this month and last month. It's been a destructive day and a destructive few months here in Tornado Alley, this section of the middle of the United States, where more tornadoes happen here than anywhere else on the planet.
And Dave, what has the response been from authorities for those people affected?
The thing that you can do to protect yourself is to make sure that you are inside a building as hardened as possible. There are tornado shelters that you can get into. Some are actually underground. You may have even seen that in The Wizard of Oz, where they went into the underground shelter. That does exist here. That's not just in the movies. But there are more hardened shelters that you can get in that are FEMA regulated. The Federal Emergency Management Association actually puts those together, and they put out recommendations of how to build these shelters inside your house. But if you can't get to something like that, they do recommend going into an internal closet as low as you can go. Surround yourself with walls, and that's how a lot of people survive this. But we do have a report of dozens, of up to a dozen people who are dead across here, from here in Texas all the way up to the Midwest in the United States.